In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Mermaid pack in Coda and render a flowchart. Start by opening coda.io in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in as you normally would so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, open the document where you want your flowchart to live. It's best to pick the doc you plan to share with collaborators so everyone sees the final diagram in the same place. Now let's bring Mermaid into your doc. On the left side of the page, click the plus icon to open the insert options. If you prefer keyboard-driven workflows, you can also type a / anywhere on the page to pull up the same menu. In the search field, start typing Mermaid. You'll see an option labeled Mermaid Pack. That's the Coda pack that connects Mermaid's diagramming capabilities to your doc. Click Mermaid Pack to proceed. You'll be prompted to install it. Click Buy and Install, then choose Add to this doc. This attaches the pack to the current document so you can use its formulas and building blocks right away. After installation, you'll see a panel on the right side of the screen with options related to the Mermaid pack. From that right-hand menu, locate the Draw Flowchart formula and drag it onto your page. This drops a ready-to-use Mermaid box into your doc. Think of it as a container that will render your diagram from code. It's designed for Mermaid's flowchart syntax, so you'll paste your text-based diagram instructions here and let Coda handle the visualization. Click inside the Mermaid box to activate the editor, then paste your flowchart code. If you already have Mermaid code prepared, drop it in as is. If you're writing it from scratch, make sure it follows Mermaid's flowchart notation so the renderer knows what to draw. The clearer your nodes and connections are in the code, the cleaner the final diagram will appear. When you're ready, click outside the box to see the flowchart render. This action tells Coda to compile the Mermaid code and display the diagram right on the page. If something doesn't look right, you can click back into the box to adjust your code and then click outside again to refresh the rendering. It's a quick edit and preview loop that makes refining your flowchart straightforward. And that's it. You've opened Coda, installed the Mermaid pack, added the Draw Flowchart element, pasted your code, and rendered a live, editable flowchart directly in your doc.